Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here with Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and right now we're currently outside of a Honda Fit. 2020 was the last year for these. I just wanted to do a quick exterior walk around in this car. We'll jump right into it for a quick little test drive, all right? So it's gonna have a hydraulic liftgate. Now back in 2020, for the last year, we only had 4 trims available. You have an LX, a Sport, an EX, then the EXL. Now, cool thing about the Fits, you got plenty of utility space, amazing fuel economy on these two as well, and the seats will come down nice and flat with a 60/40 split seat, as you guys can see. Now, also though, for a vehicle this size, you do sacrifice some, some nice, smooth, quiet ride on this, but that's not its main focus. It's just a front-wheel drive, amazing fuel economy, while it has some good space into it for a compact vehicle. All right, I love how wide the door opens up, makes it pretty nice and easy. I'm not going to go in too much detail. I'm going to put some video links down below so you guys see more in depth for each trim level for 2020 and newer, in 2020 and older models from that point. Now you're going to have the magic seats right here, so that's kind of a huge perk from that point. So plenty of space. Let's just kind of jump right in the back so you guys can see. You have nice stadium seats, so if I'm sitting back here, I'm sitting more of a straight up kind of position. I can see over the front people up there too as well. So let's cut the chatter and get in for a test drive. This particular one's gonna be an LX, so it's gonna be a base model. Higher trim level is going to have push button start, some more of the safety features. Like on the EX, you get the safety features like the lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, all that good stuff. Let's take it around the block. Now, I wish they kept making the Fits, because a lot of times when people go from a Fit, they usually get back into a Fit. I like to call them the Fit fanatics. They're in love with the Honda Fit. I can see the reason why. You got a big windshield right here. It kind of covers, it's just not many blind spots in the Fit. All right, so it's pretty nice. Now, as you sit in a Fit, you're not sitting in it like you normally would for a sedan. You're sitting more kind of up like you would in a van or a truck. Just the positioning of the seats. So that's kind of a huge thing about it. It's going to be a little loud. Once again, it does have a lot of insulation into it. It's just a price point, front wheel drive. Fuel economy, utility space is where it's really focused at. It's good, reliable too as well. Boom, the Honda Fit. So a very good option. They don't make these in all-wheel drive. That's why they came out with the HRVs. Down in the description, I'm also going to put some HRV links down there below. You'll see that for the 2023 model, how it's redesigned. If you guys want to check out some the 22 generation, I'll put one link up there as well so you guys can find that. I do have the walk around videos that go more in depth about those for you, okay? So winter driving is a common question I get for these. I had many people buy the Honda Fits, new and used, from us. It's just winter. Some people put winter tires on there. You do have smaller rims on these, 15-inch, 16-inch alloyed rims, so smaller tires. It's just the general rule of thumb is if it's like a very steep hill, you may have a little issues with all that ice buildup too as well, just like a normal sedan would. All right, so maybe you guys live in a different terrain area with a lot of snow combinations, and you guys know you just maybe absolutely need a 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive vehicle, or snow tires, maybe chains on that. That's something you have to take in consideration if you live in those environments looking at the Honda Fit. But for you city driving though, I never had anyone had any issues with the Honda Fit for everyday driving here in Iowa with Iowa winters. So as we're driving around, the visibility, I can see all the way around. Everything's open, I can see, pretty comfortable with it. I just can't get over how big the windshield is for this vehicle of size. A lot of visibility. The Honda Fit has came a long way. If you guys have a Fit, you guys like to share about the miles you have on it, your experience, drop it down below in the comments. Share that with the people that have been considering to buy a Fit. From there, just kind of, help out the community a little bit. I greatly appreciate that, guys. Now there are certain models you can get in a 6-speed, while this one's obviously a CVT. All right, here we are back at home. All right, there it is, guys, the Honda Fit test drive. Once again, additional links down below. Check them out. Any questions, feel free to let us know. I'll do my best to answer at that point. And thanks again for watching.